Prime Minister of Spain Pedro Sanchez is arriving in India on a 3-day visit. The visit of the Prime Minister of Spain is taking place after 18 years. Tata Aircraft Complex reinforces India's position as trusted partner in global aerospace manufacturing, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah reaffirms government's commitment to cybersecure Bharat. The Indian Railways, in collaboration with the Ministry of Women and Child Development, have launched a revised standard operating procedure for protecting of vulnerable children. Prime Minister Modi cautions nation against digital frauds, enumerates 3 steps to digital security: stop, think, take action.